Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nneka, your favorite LocDHoney. Today I'm going to be waxing my underarms. I'm kind of nervous, but today I was given the advice that how can you wax others and you can wax yourself. So continue watching the video and let's see how this goes. Be using wax sticks, and then you got my gloves, got my cotton pads, my powder, Burt's Bees powder, and then I got my cleanser. This witch hazel. The wax is over here warming up. That might be a little too warm. Down a bit. I turn it up a lot so it can melt, but when it's melted, you got to turn it down. And we're about to get it started. Scared right now. I'm so scared. Okay. I'll never my underarm wax. I get my bikini wax, so it can't be worse than a bikini, right? Got my powder. Use Burt's Bees because it's a natural powder, it's cornstarch. Whew! I'm nervous. I'm nervous a fresh stick. This is not a good tab. Whew. It's no turning back now. I gotta do it. I can't turn back if I want to. Y'all, it's on there. So I got a little tab. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh! Ah! It's not dry. Let it get dry some more. Failed attempt, failed attempt.
Take two.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ah! 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 Whoo! Whoo! Pulled out the hairs. Obviously, I'm not good at waxing myself. Can you see that? I still got hairs. The good thing about hard wax is you can go over it more than once. So I gotta go over it again to clean up and to get the hairs that are left. Grabbing a new waxing stick. Waxing yourself is so much harder than it looks. Nice and hard and dry. To be honest, I can only do one underarm. I can't. I can't. She told me that you gotta be comfortable waxing yourself. But how do you inflict pain on yourself? Waxing is not a nice service. Whew, I'm sweating. I can't. I can't. I can't. I physically can't. This is gonna be a short video. This ain't happening. I did it again to finish the job. Y'all, this is ridiculous. You see what I'm doing for y'all? I'm sweating and shit. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that one was a lot easier. Failed attempt at me trying to wax my own underarms. It's a different type of beast waxing yourself. Y'all, should I do this other arm for the video? I don't think I could wax the other arm. I was like, yeah, you know, super motivated. She was saying some great things. It was a great conversation. I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. How can you wax other people and you can't wax yourself? I don't care how many years I do this. I do not think I will ever be able to wax myself. Hey. So it's been a couple of days. Hey y'all, just wanted to pause the video real quick. I don't know if you all noticed, but I was showing up a bit orange in some of my videos. So I figured it out and how to change it, and I just wanted to share it with y'all. That's it. Since I waxed this underarm, this arm just feels so good and soft compared to me shaving. So I'm gonna go ahead and wax this one. I've been walking around with one arm wax, one arm not wax. Don't judge me and mind your business. Let's get into it. Put my gloves on. with the cleanser. This one ain't even open yet. Hold up. Alright, let's start with the cleanser. Okay, y'all. We could do this. Dry. This is going to hurt. It's going to hurt. I know it's going to hurt. Pain is beauty. Beauty is pain. That's what they say at least, right? 1, 2, 3. Whew. Woo. That got the hairs good. Alright, let's do it in the opposite direction. I pulled up, so now I'm gonna pull down. I knew I could do this. It only took a couple of days later. I was waxing my bikini for years. It's more sensitive, but I think with anything for the first time, it's gonna be a little bit more painful than what you're used to. Take a sip first. It's just apple juice. 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna do a little bit right here. So I just did a little strip going across this way because I felt like I needed to get the hairs right here. And we got the hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and clean myself up. So I did this off camera last time. This is Say Brazil's Ouch Balm. I like to call it their natural Neosporin, and this works wonders. I use it for after waxing, but if you want to use it for like burns, scratches, bruises, whatever you would put Neosporin on, you can use this for. And it's all natural. It definitely helps soothe the pain afterwards. So that's the end of this video. In the beginning, I was being a little dramatic and it did hurt. Okay, it's not that bad. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.